guys, Rich here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well wherever you are. So today, as you can see, I'm doing an unboxing of my brand new mixer. This is the KitchenAid Pro 5 series. This is a bowl lift design, and the one that I have behind me is just a normal regular size stand mixer, but that one is a tilt up design. But I decided to upgrade because I bake a lot and I have orders to do and stuff like that. I decided to treat myself and get this big guy here, as you can see. But without further ado, let's start with the unboxing, shall we? Let's just get that off. Got my little coffee here. And now I'm very that tape. I actually bought this last year November, like for Black Friday, but I didn't have a place to store it in my place, so that's why it's here with me now. By the way, thumbs up this video if you guys want to see baking videos from me. That would be really fun to do if you guys want to see that kind of content. Anyway, the first thing I see here is the dough hook. This is the dough hook attachment. I'm gonna use this a lot more because fall is here obviously and Christmas is right around the corner. So I'm gonna try to make a lot of dough recipes, breads and stuff like that. Over here, I mean, I've never seen these in person. They're huge. These are the paddle attachment. This is the main one that I always use whenever I bake. This is good for like batters and like making icing and stuff like that. So that's gonna be used so much. Let me just get this out of the way. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Whoa. It's so beautiful. Hope you guys can see that. I love the glossy look. Dark gray, anything gray and green, they're my two favorite colors. So I had to get that also. And this is just like manual, and sometimes they even show you like recipes that you can maybe start doing. It doesn't say any in here, but that just tells you like how to use it, where all the switches and stuff are, but obviously I already know all that info, all that jazz. This is to register your product. But yeah, there it is. So this is the how to lift your bowl up and down. That's where you do it. And this attachment, this is where you can put attachments like pasta, noodles, or like if you want to grind beef and stuff like that, you can do that over here. This is the whisk attachment. It comes with 3 attachments, like I mentioned before. So we have the dough hook. We have my favorite, the most used paddle attachment. And then this is obviously the whisk. I'm so excited because I always wanted a stand mixer this big. But obviously they're so expensive. I got so lucky because this was on sale for 60% off. So normally it was like 7 something. I got it for 3 something, I believe. Yeah, and that's with tax. So that is such a big deal. But yeah, that's pretty much it in this bowl and what the KitchenAid comes with. This is the front view. Looks good, looking good. But yeah, if you want to take this off, you just lift and then the bowl will come out. And thank God for this little handle. The handle on the bowl is so important. So the mixer that I have behind me, that one doesn't have a handle on the bowl. That's just a regular standard small KitchenAid. But now they do make a smaller one that still doesn't have the handle. Or you can get a bigger one than this. Or either it's like more powerful, but it does have the handle option. But yeah, I rather just get this. I save so much more money by going this route anyways. But yeah, hope you guys like this unboxing. I'll do a review on it to see how well it can hold up. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments below also if you want to see baking videos like I said, or if you have any baking questions, KitchenAid questions. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.